Hey, it's Chris here from White Oaks Farm. Gonna do an unboxing of a sort. I just received my Oregon 410-120 bench chain grinder. I used to be able to hand sharpen chainsaw chains with just my hands and eyes and a good file. Can't do that anymore. I'd be getting old. So I bought this thing. I've got a Harbor Freight version, and it's so flexible and lightweight that it just doesn't do the job. It's very inaccurate. So I spent $200 on this thing from Northern Tool, and I'm hoping it will do the job. Anyways, let's take a look inside the box. If I can get it open. I gotta say that this thing weighs a small ton, so I'm happy with that. That generally means at least it's not going to be real flexible. This is the part that most people just toss over their shoulder. I'm going to read it. This is the warranty card, and these are pieces parts, and they're quite heavy. This is nice. I like that. Heavy is not a bad thing when it comes to certain tools. This is the motor that will hold the grinding wheel. Looks like I got 3 grinding wheels here, different sizes. A bag of smallish parts. Looks like a handle, a gauge of some kind, some small tools, another handle, and that looks like a dressing stone for the wheels. This is the base. Nice solid pot metal or aluminum, probably aluminum. And what's this? This is just a certification card stating that all the pieces are in here, apparently, with little dots in the boxes. And that's what comes in the box. So later I'm going to, after reading the instructions in this bag here, I will take it down to the granary, and it will get bolted to the bench, and we'll see how it works. Anyway, later.